Tappy activated. Hi, my crypto fam. Today I'll transfer some knowledge about crypto staking. It's when you lock up your digital tokens on a blockchain to earn rewards. Usually, it's a percentage of the tokens staked. If a blockchain offers a 5% reward per month, you can lock up 100 tokens, and in a month, you'll get 5 extra tokens as a reward. The following data upload will tell you about the ways to stake crypto. It can be active staking when you lock tokens to actively participate in network tasks, or passive staking when you lock tokens simply to support the network's operation. There can also be delegated staking when you assign your staking power to a validator node, operated by someone else. Then, rewards are shared between the validator and delegators. Let's keep these coins rolling. Pool staking occurs when a group of token holders combines their tokens to increase their chances of earning rewards. During exchange staking, some exchanges handle staking on a blockchain network and distribute rewards to participants. And finally, liquid staking when you get representative tokens in return for staking. Let's unpack a file with the info on how staking works. To start staking, you gotta choose a cryptocurrency. Not all cryptocurrencies support staking. Look for tokens using proof of stake or similar systems. Then, buy your chosen tokens on a crypto exchange. Pick a staking platform determining your staking method. After that, you can stake your tokens by following the platform's instructions, locking them for a specific time. Finally, you can start earning rewards in new tokens. There can be block rewards which validators receive for staking and securing the network based on their contributions. There are also transaction fees. Validators earn them as part of their rewards. Validators can earn MEV rewards by optimizing transaction orders. Beep boop, sounds good! Now, brace your motherboards. Staking rewards aren't always guaranteed. Delays can occur due to network congestion, validator errors, or even slashing penalties if a validator violates network rules. Forks or protocol changes during the staking period may also affect rewards. Let's exchange information on pros and cons of crypto staking. Uploading pros. You can earn passive income on long-term holdings. Plus, rewards may increase in value. You help strengthen network security and take part in network governance. Now, let's plug into cons. One of them is limited access to staked tokens during lockup. Rewards and staked tokens may lose value due to market fluctuations. There's also the risk of slashing penalties for validator mistakes or malicious actions, and inflation risk as new tokens enter the market. Staking also requires technical understanding. As a beginner, you can easily make mistakes in staking. You may misunderstand how staking works or underestimate the associated risks, like value decrease during lockups or not being able to access tokens in an emergency. You can also face slashing penalties for breaking rules. Some of your assets can be taken away or simply burned. Also, staking rewards may be taxable. Initiating the conclusion protocol. Cryptocurrency staking can help you earn rewards, but understanding the process is essential for success. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Tappy deactivated.